Ingomag. Hello,
Hello,
are you fine?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine. I'm also fine. So, tell us about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Sheriff INEZA. I'm 21 years old, live in Sweden, play for a club that's called IFK Nyköping. I play as a number 11 called a winger. I've played in multiple cups. I've won League Cup in Sweden. I've won District Cup. I have even played the Swedish Cup.
When did you start playing football?
I started playing football when I was 3 years old in my neighborhood with my brothers and cousins. But I started playing in a team when I was like 5 or 7 years old.
Okay, has it been a dream for you that you've always had, or just one day, just like that?
Now, I've been dreaming of becoming a professional football player since I was a child. I've been seeing my uncle and cousin play. So that was a dream since I was a small child.
Okay, what has motivated you to play football?
My motivation has been to play in the big leagues, play for the big cups, and see how far I can take my career as a professional football player.
Have you met some challenges during your journey of player football?
Oh yeah, I have met a lot of challenges during my young years as a football player. It have been hard knowing that there is a lot of competition, but through the years I have to go through a lot of obstacles to reach my dream.
So, as younger that you are, how do you see football as a hobby or a job that you do?
I see as a job because at the end of the day I have to I wanna make as a living, so I can say this is my job as a professional football player then.
Are you planning to change anything, or you want just stay like a football player do all your life?
As we all know, football, professional football have a small window of 15 to 10 years. So I'm planning to make the most of that specific time, and through that time, I'm planning to make the most of my professionalism in football.
Since you are playing in Sweden, why are you here in Burundi?
Yeah, I'm in Buja, Burundi, because I'm here playing for the national team for the under 23s. I've been here almost one month and 2 weeks. We have been training in a camp in Ngozi. We have played against White twice, and hopefully I'll be back again.
Okay, where do you project yourself in the future? What's your goal?
My future goals is to play for the Burundian national team. Is to play here and make a tribute for my country, this beautiful country. I want to go back home, work hard, and then come back and win stuff for this country.
Since you have big dreams, since you have like a lot of dreams, do you see it as challenging for you since you are younger than you are right now?
I don't see it as a challenge. I see it as an opportunity to develop myself and to tribute to this beautiful country that I came from, and to know and to learn and see my own roots where I came from. Like the dream I have to play for the first team national team then, and my own club. These are the dreams I have. I don't see them as challenges.
Do you feel fearless?
A little bit. I feel a little bit fearless, but back in my mind, there is a little bit fear, but I have to see through that fear and conquer it, because to reach the dream of becoming a professional football player.
How do you feel as a Burundian playing outside of your natural country? How do you feel? Do you feel like you are fighting for something? Do you feel like you are reaching your dream or something like that?
Playing outside our country is a dream come true. It's a dream that many young kids have, and I feel like that this is a dream for me too. But I want to take it a step higher and reach the big leagues, so I can be a role model for the kids here in Burundi that they can look up to, and see what it takes to work and play in the big leagues. So I feel like this opportunity to play outside and represent my country and wear this flag here is an honor.
Do you have something to tell the other youths who are watching you?
Yes, fight hard. If you have a dream, fight for it, go for it, and take the risk. You only live once, I said. So take the risk, fight for it, and then make yourself proud. At the end of the day, you got yourself to make proud. Thank you.